Oh, that was a big yawn. That was a big yawn, Zachary.
So that illustrates what we're talking about. These winds are just barreling their way eastward. Julie, this storm out in Polk County is
Tornado Cuddling.